Imagine yourself in this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT flex fuel, 3.16 axle ratio, touring suspension, 50 state emissions, front-wheel drive, engine oil cooler, front anti-roll bar, hydraulic power assist steering, single stainless steel exhaust and clear coat paint. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.